Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making this delicious creamy pasta salmon. This is very easy and I'm sure you guys are definitely going to love it. Let's jump right into this video. You're going to boil any pasta of your choice to the instructions on the box. And then you are going to strain and set that aside. For our salmon, you're going to cook that for 2 minutes on each sides. Please do not overcook your salmon at this point. To the very pan, we are going to add some butter. Allow this to melt slowly. Then you're going to add your onion and garlic. Add your flour and allow it to cook out for about 2.5 minutes. After which, you're going to add some milk and of course some heavy cream. Everything that I use will be in the description box, but season to your likeness. Now we're going to flake our salmon into big chunks. As you can see there, it is not cooked through. This is exactly what you're looking for. So our sauce at this point, it's beginning to thicken. You're going to add your mixed vegetables and corn. Taste and adjust if you must. Now you're going to add any cheese of your choice, and I'm using Wisconsin cheddar. Very delicious cheese, nice and smoky. You can choose to add cheese or you can omit the cheese, your choice. So I mix the pasta, the sauce, and the salmon, and then I top it with the rest of the salmon, as you're seeing there. Beautiful. And then I added some cheese, baked for 15 to 20 minutes, and this is what you get, guys. OMG, it was super delicious, and I can't wait for you guys to try this one. If y'all are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment. Yes, that was eaten with some fresh garden salad to cut that rich creaminess of the pasta. Superb. That's my son. He is enjoying his. So thank you guys so much for spending the time with me today. Be kind to yourself and each other. I love you guys, and I see you all on the next video. Bye bye.